Alright guys, ColeManPie123 here, one of my dumbass friends wanted this tutorial, so I'm just going to show you how to be able to control characters and blocks and cars, whatever you want to control, and make a third person or first person view, parent a camera to it, and we're going to go from there. So, first what you want to do is you're going to want to, here, just delete this real quick. Go up to here where it says Blender Render and go to Blender Game. That'll change just how everything is. So, you see this little box with like three little things in it right here? You're going to want to click that and go down to Game Logic. This is where all the magic happens. If you can find, oops, if you can find where the thing is. Sometimes it might do this. Wait a minute. Okay, let's see. Alright, there it is. Alright, so you want to click on where it says Add Sensor. You get your cube selected, it says cube right there. You're going to want to go to Add Sensor, and it will get you all these different options. You're going to go down to Keyboard. Alright, right here, you're going to click it and press the key. So for this, I'm just going to use the arrow keys, up arrow, and then you're going to want to click that. Okay, so look at that up arrow. Alright, where it says add controller, that's where it controls what keys you use and how many keys you use to do a single action. All you're going to want to do is add an and. That's all you have to do. So it gives you all these options. And alright, next you want to go over here to actuator, and gives you all these options. Motion is what you want. Simple. Make sure it's on simple motion, not servo control. That's just fucking stupid. I hate that. Alright. This is probably the most complicated part. It's not that complicated. So just go to point 2. Alright. So now that that's part's done, we're gonna want to do that again, but make it so the cube can go in reverse. So gonna click on that, and this time do the down arrow. Alright, so got that, and controller again, actuator, motion, and then this time instead of making it go positive 0.2, you're gonna want to make it negative 0.2. Alright, so that's how you do that. So right now, if you connect the lines together, you have to connect the lines or this won't work. Now if you press play, then you can move forward and backwards. Sometimes, you see how mine's going pretty slow right now, sometimes you might want to go to where it says motion and make it a little faster, like double speed. So let's go to 40. Oops. Alright. See, now it's going a little faster, not by much, but you get the point. Alright, so now we're going to do something different for the actuator part. So do the same thing, but use different keys. Right key, left key, same difference. Alright. Right key, left key, alright. So we got those. Now this is where it becomes different with the actuator. You're going to want to go to where it says rot, which means rotation, and X, Y, Z axis right here. And you're going to want to make it -3 for this one, because usually when I do it, it makes it so you have to make it -3 for the first one, and then +3. Sometimes you can make it more than that if you want it to spin fast, but that's all I'm doing for now. So we have all of our actuators, our sensors, and our controllers all set into place. Now if we press play, then we can move in circles, we can make figure eights, you can just sit here and twist it forward, backward. All your basic movements are all in one. Remember, you can make it faster, you can make it rotate faster. I'll just show you that real quick. I think it's going kind of slow, so I'm going to boost it up to 60. You'll always want to boost it up a little bit, or else it just makes it unfun. Rotation, let's go with -5. Yeah, okay. Now let's check it again. Alright, see? So, you know, you can do this with cars, you can do this with people, you can do it with pretty much whatever you want. Alright, so now we have that, and it moves. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go back to default up here in this little corner. We're going to go back to default, and we have our cube that moves around. Alright, and now you're asking, well, can I make a camera attached to it so I can go third person? So if I press P, we're going to want to see which way it goes. If you press the up arrow, it's going away. So you want to put the camera over here. Alright, let's see where that is. Nope. Alright. That's alright, I guess. So just Shift A to go to your add screen. You want to go down here to camera. Alright. That looks like it's going to be facing towards the ground. Rotation Z, maybe? No. X? Yeah. Rotation X-axis. And let's look into the camera right now and see what we see. Alright, so alright. So right now it's too close to the cube for you to see anything, so you want to back it up. Alright, now let's look at it again. We just have to make sure that the camera adjustments are just right. Ooh. Why is it doing this? Alright, there. Okay, that looks good. Alright. So, now that we got that, I want to right click the cube so it has the bobber on it, the cursor. And then you're going to go to Shift and click the camera, and as you can see there's a light on both of them. Then you're going to go Control P, and it should say Set Parent to Object Control P, and there. Alright, now sometimes this might work. There's bugs in the system everywhere where this might not work. So let's just check it right now. Yeah, see, it's not working. Sometimes you have to make sure that you do it before you add the controllers and the actuators and the movement. Just basic movement, you have to make sure that you do it before that. So, yeah. So that's the tutorial. You know, you can do whatever you want with this guy. You can put a skin on him somehow. You can do whatever. So thank you for watching, and you know, rate, comment, subscribe, and ask for more tutorials.